After absorbing a substantial quantity of dust throughout the initial portion of our oppressive ride day, I can only breathe in the dense, saline air and take a moment to relax. Reclining in a rattan hammock, gazing at the palm trees undulating in the breeze following a hearty meal of rice and curry, provided a much-needed respite after contending with the day's oppressive heat. The Ibex 450 is a 449 cubic centimeters parallel twin adventure motorcycle featuring 8 inches of adjustable suspension travel at both ends, a 21/18-inch tire configuration, and an MSRP of $6,500. If that sentence does not capture your interest, you may be inappropriately situated. The Ibex 450 appears to be a formidable competitor in the lightweight ATV category. The DOHC 449 cubic centimeters parallel twin incorporates a ubiquitous 270-degree crank design that enhances auditory character and converts power pulses into effective traction, while dual counterbalancers mitigate undesirable vibrations. The Ibex's engine employs 72mm pistons and a compression ratio of 11.5:1, featuring a stroke of 55.2mm. CFMOTO specifies 44 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 33.5 lb-ft of torque at 6,250 RPM. Hence, although we are not exceptionally impressive, we align with what is likely its closest competition, the KTM 390 Adventure. The Ibex has a claimed curb weight of 425 pounds, which is 38 pounds heavier than the KTM. A cable throttle suggests an absence of ride settings and delivers fuel from its 4.6-gallon tank to two 34mm throttle bodies. The Ibex 450's chassis incorporates a bolt-on subframe and down tubes that support the engine, facilitating easier replacement rather than complete replacement, should you push it to its limits. Kayaba has a fully adjustable fork and a preload and rebound adjustable shock, both featuring 8 inches of travel and yielding over 8.5 inches of ground clearance. The Ibex is equipped with a 21/18-inch tubeless cross-spoked wheel combination. Pleasant. The bicycle has a wheelbase of 59.3 inches, a rake of 26 degrees, and a trail of 4.17 inches. The 32.3-inch regular seat height can be reduced via the two-position shock linkage to 31.5 inches, and there is also an accessory high seat that puts the seat at 34.3 inches. More on that in a moment. The windscreen is changeable by a convenient crank located on each side. Transitioning to the technological aspects, there is less information, yet possibly sufficient for a bicycle of its kind. The 5-inch TFT display, sourced from other models in CFMOTO's range, is operable through the directional pad on the left switchgear. The Ibex's display supports Bluetooth connectivity and over-the-air upgrades.